friends, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. You can see I am here. I want to see you my farmhouse. Look at there. Because of me and my mother and I came here to visit. You can see here the beautiful farmhouse. I'm not come here in every day, but mm, mm, today I come here. My father my father come here every day for take care of plants and water. So you can see my father grows coriander leaves, tomato, banana, peas, and mango, gooseberry, papaya, and lots of veggies. It's not for sale; it's only for our use, and I used to get every day. So for our use. So now I'm sitting here. My It's almost harvested. My father grows the wheat, and you can see here the bundle of wheat grass. And please guys understand my word, because I'm not describe all of these because of I have no sufficient word. This is a mango tree, and this is a where is tomato? Yeah, tomato almost. Yeah, my mother smiled because of she don't know I'm making videos. Making video, and she's sitting here, and she thought she's thinking I'm what I'm doing here. And yeah, you can see my house. And I want to see a fish plant here. Here my father grows a fish plant. This is a fish plant almost. Yeah, you can see the fish fruit. This is a fish fruit, and they're growing. And here are aloe vera plants and a brinjal plants. Or you can see brinjal plants and aloe vera plants, and this is a flower plants. Here my father grow of lots of flowers plants. And friends, look, it's wind is blowing here, and I feel very happy. And you can see my back side. This is a well. Yes, this is a well, and friends, this is the one and only source of water. Because of here, you can see here's nothing is a water source. That's why my father um, making this. And yeah. And this is a flower. Friends, my father made a poultry farm like 10 year ago for as a poultry farm, but due to some reason I had to close this poultry farm. So since my father uh, started grow vegetables and flowers. And you can see this is a, yeah, that is a guava tree. And in every morning my father comes here for take care of plants and take care of and water for them. So, and here's a this friends, it's very sufficient for us because of it's like in it's my it's for our very sufficient for us, friends. And my mother I think thinking, and my mother looking to me what I'm doing here. So